Hi. So this question is asking you to do to look at these measurements and just say how many significant digits there are in each one of them. So let's just get started. This first um, part A here we have 4,867 miles. So for sig figs, anything that isn't zero is definitely a significant digit. Zero is the only kind of tricky one, but everything else, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, are all definitely significant. So here we all have no zeros, so we know that all four of these are indeed significant. So we have 4 sig figs here. Let's look at the next one, 56 milliliters, kind of the same thing, no zeros. So both of these are significant. So 2 sig figs. Now this next one, C, 60,104 tons. Now we have some zeros here, but zeros are counted significant in only a couple scenarios. They're counted when they are sandwiched by significant digits. So yeah, if there's significant digit on both sides of it, or several zeros that are encompassed by significant digits, then they are significant. So as you can see here, both of these zeros are sandwiched by significant digits. We have the first one is sandwiched by 6 and 1, and the second one sandwiched by 1 and 4. So all of those zeros and all the other digits are significant. So every single number in this number here is significant. So it's 5 sig figs. That's the next one. 2,900 grams. Now, this is a scenario in which the zeros actually are not significant. Now, as you can see, these zeros, they are one side they have a significant digit, right? They have a 9. But on the left side, or on the right side, there are no significant digits here. So both of these zeros are insignificant, and 2 and 9 are still significant because they're not zero. So we have 2 sig figs here. Now for E, 40.2 grams per centimeter cubed. Now this is kind of similar to C, where we have a zero that is sandwiched by significant figures, 4 and 2. So the zero is significant, and therefore we have 3 sig figs here, 4, 0, and 2. All of them are significant. Now let's look at F, 0.0000003 centimeters. Now, zeros, all these zeros that you can see here are not sandwiched by significant digits. There is no significant digit on the left side to sandwich it with a 3 on its right side. So actually, all of these zeros here are insignificant, and the only significant digit is the 3. So it's just 1 sig fig, and that's 3. Next question for G, 0.7 minutes. Now this is actually very similar to the last question, where there is nothing here to sandwich it, right? So there's only 1 sig fig, 7, right? So 1 sig fig. Let's look at this next one. 4.6 times 10 to the 10 atoms. Now, if we were to just write this out as what it is, right, it would be 4.6 or 4, 6, and then a bunch of zeros, right? Like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all the way like 10 zeros, right? Now, this is kind of similar to D, where all of those zeros, there is nothing on the right side. There is no significant digit here that could make all those zeros significant. So all of those zeros, those 10 zeros that are accounted for by 10 to the 10, are actually all insignificant. So there's only 2 significant digits here, and that is 4 and 6. So we have 2 sig figs here. I hope this was helpful, and sig figs are a very, very important part of chemistry and just math in general. So yeah, I hope you learned a lot today. Thanks for listening.